What up, guys? Welcome back to the garage, or actually today to the driveway, because that's where we're gonna be doing all of our work today. What are we doing, Hannah?
You know, as you can tell, skipper. Doing skipper.
You don't even know what we're doing. Like, you genuinely don't.
Nah.
Do you?
We better be putting all this together. So this is yours. This is yours. This is mine. See, I know what my car needs.
All right, let's start off by, you have to at least tell me what all this stuff is.
All right, so how do you pronounce that?
Copper.
No, that's not needed. We got spark plugs. Okay, cut it again. A filter.
Filter for what?
Skipper. We got a thermostat for skipper.
What's the thermostat do?
It thermos or stat. And then we got another filter. We got the maximum
for?
Some micro guard stuff.
What's this filter for? It.
Okay, next one. So this filter is for the air filter.
This is the filter for the air filter. So the air filter needs a filter. It's like a pre-filter, right?
Yup.
So I'm gonna try as hard as I can to let her actually do every bit of this, honestly. What is with the bass, man?
Hold up, bro. I know what to do.
All right, you can pop the hood. Good job. Now we just gotta remove this piece right here.
Okay. Ready? Cut it real fast. Ready? Oh my god.
You gotta pull it.
Ah, I don't think this is the right one, but you know. Got it. Okay, so let's try it.
Are you doing that?
I think that's on there.
Did you do that on purpose?
What?
Yeah, you're doing that on purpose. You have to be, right? You know that's upside down. All right, now use the ratchet. The ratchet. And you put that on there.
Okay, lefty, righty.
There you go.
Okay. Okay. Oh, these are hot. These are real hot. These are hot. Those are hot. How you doing?
Got all the spark plugs gapped, and we did that shit in the house, dude, where the air conditioning's at.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and pull these up.
How?
You just pull straight up. You gotta apply a little bit of force, man.
Gotta apply that pressure.
Pull it. Pull it.
I can't. It's not coming off.
You gotta want it, Hannah.
Huh?
You gotta want it.
I really just want it to be fixed, you know?
Just. Well, it's not broken. This is routine.
Yeah, who struck? You make it look easy.
Oh, yeah. It's actually really clean.
You only did one.
Yeah, to demonstrate. Go for it.
Gotta apply that pressure. I had that one.
You gotta, yeah. No, you wanna lift. Oh, okay. All right.
Don't teach me. I got this. I struggle on the next one. This.
Nope. Nope. Yes.
Yeah, I was testing you.
Push it on all the way. The ratchet.
Isn't it?
Push the dang button, man.
Oh!
There you go.
I was wondering why that was there. I thought it was just for decoration.
Oh, there you go. Good job. That's
Yeah.
fine. Now move to the next one. Just pull the whole thing out. You just want to crack all 4 of them.
Like I'm breaking something. I'm sorry if this hurts, Skipper. Get up.
No, don't.
It's just play.
Spin the ratchet around where you can. There you go.
Okay, come here.
Come on, you can do it. There. No.
Do I touch that?
Yeah, you pull them all out and set them up on the windowsill up there. On the plastic. On the glass. Down, down.
You know, you're very picky, bro.
Right there. There you go.
Come here, buddy, McFly. Who cares, right? Get that. Oh, yeah.
Anti-seize on all the spark plugs. If you're putting these in, you want to put them in by hand. So you can use this, but you want to start the threads by hand. You don't want to use like the ratchet or the gun or anything like that because you can cross thread it.
Finished!
So that's snug. That's snug. 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 Starting right here from snug, you do quarter. Just like that. Do you see which way the ratchet's pointing? It's pointing this way. So if it was pointing this way, that's a quarter. If it's pointing that way, that's a half a turn, 3/4 turn, and a full turn.
Okay.
Now just give them an ugga chugga.
Ugga.
That's an ugga chugga. Ugga chugga.
So who's giving them the ugga chugga?
Ugga chugga.
Last time I checked, you just did 2.
Alright.
There's only 4.
You can do the ugga chuggas.
Just speed that up.
You got a full send, man. You don't. Oh, Jesus. Okay. You left the socket behind.
It's just Skipper, you know. She just plays.
All right. Oh, there you go. Leaving the socket behind again.
Hi. Oh my God, we got spark plugs done. 20 things more.
We got a high five for getting spark plugs done. Bow. Oh, that was it. There we go. Hey. Now where's your cover at?
I know, Max.
You got to install it.
Shim, shim.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. It's a little crooked. All right. Cover done. High five again.
Hello.
Oh. Oh, yep. Oh. Yay. Okay, set that aside.
Ooh, I know what that is. Voila.
Yeah. Now you gotta get that one out of there.
No bueno. Those leaves.
Yeah, I mean it wasn't horrible.
Not that bad. It still has the yellow tint to it.
I've definitely seen worse.
Come on with the college. She's in. There you go.
Bow. All right, air filter done. Nope. Hey. What?
Very good.
We're watching a video to learn how to replace the thermostat on this car. We all do it, bro. No judgment.
Look.
Dang, dirty hands, bro.
Yeah, but
they're actually dirtier than mine. That's what's up.
I know. I'm out here, bro. I'm getting things done.
Hey, there's the thermostat. It's actually underneath the car, so we gotta jack it up.
Okay.
Make sure chalk the tires.
I feel like I'm a breaker. Come here, boy. That wind feels good. Freezing cold water with ice. Whew. Doesn't that just sound delish? Oh my God, where can you buy that?
The hell?
That's good?
Yeah. Maybe. Make sure it's straight on the bolt. Huh? No, you gotta do it. It's your car.
Oh, you got my eyelashes.
Okay, now get the bucket directly underneath it and then pull on that hose. Yeah, the one where you just took the bolts out of. There you go. Bam, bro, look at that. Not bad, man, not bad. You didn't get much on the ground at all. You're natural.
I think I've done this before. Touch me. I got it. Hey, it's coming out of there. It's coming out of the wrong area. You didn't get much on the floor at all. Still started attacking me.
Alright, I'm gonna take this cap off and then...
Hold up, is I gonna put more?
Well, we should have took it off in the first place, but this is what's gonna...
Oh,
yeah.
Buddy, it's going everywhere.
I guess I spoke too soon.
Thank the Lord I moved. Oh, it's all on my arm.
Holy crap.
It started coming out of that thing. I was like, it's coming.
Was there a thermostat in there? Or you pulled that thing out? Is there?
I think so. Yeah, that
Okay.
looks like it.
It seemed like it didn't have a thermostat to me. That's why I asked.
My hands are a bit slippery, yes.
Yeah, buddy. Ooh, that is really black, man.
Not bad.
Well, it was definitely time for an oil change. I mean, it's still got a little bit now. That's black.
My hand.
Damn, it's melted, bro.
Not even. Here's.
How did I know you're gonna do that? Whoa.
My handprint. Especially mine. It's pretty good. We're going.
But no funnel gang. Don't do that. Nice and clean. All right, oil change down. Oh, thermostat. Bow. Did we do thermostat already? Okay. What else?
Coilovers, filter.
We already high-fived for those.
Bro, we went all the way back to O'Reilly to go get another.
Yeah, that was a mission.
Man.
Bam. Oh, that one sucked. We gotta get better at this. It's because I'm holding the camera.
Yeah.
Hey, DBFam, baby. What is this?
Hashtag.
Oh, hashtag.
Hashtag DBFam.
All right, that might have been a little bit cheesy, but it's all good. We actually got a lot of service done on the car. So we did, obviously, the coolant. We flushed it out. Put new coolant in there, got a new thermostat, new oil filter, air filter, new plugs. What we have next is we do want to end up doing, I don't know if this is a timing belt or a timing chain, but either way, I want to do that, the water pump, just for preventative maintenance, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know when the last time it was done, but we're also going to do the transmission fluid in the future, and then obviously the rear diff as well. Because those are things that who knows when the last time it was that they were actually done. And I do want to use that vacuum that we just used on the khaki Civic and actually suck all this old brake fluid out and just put all brand new brake fluid in there, you know what I mean? So just stuff to make sure that, you know, try to avoid problems in the future.
Should I put the cap on?
No, we gotta let it warm up, and actually we gotta burp the system. I'll explain to you in a second.
She's a baby, we gotta...
So we're just letting it run and warm up. You guys know the deal. I gotta get all the air out of the cooling system, and then we're gonna go in the house, get showered up, get, you know, just cleaned up, come back out, and I'll check the level on the oil. And then I'm thinking that we're probably gonna go hit the mall tonight, man. Just go drive around the mall, let her drive the car. You know, she's gotta get used to driving it, so. Pick back up with you when we leave. Well, I had a lot of fun tonight, man. I enjoyed myself. I know Hannah did as well. I hope you guys liked today's video. I gotta tell you, I think it's really important for you for you guys that have kids. I think it's important for kids to know what it's like to have to work for things. You know what I'm saying? That car, if you guys aren't aware, I know I mentioned it when she bought it, but she bought that car herself. She is working. She saved up the money and she bought that car herself. All the mods and stuff for the car, she's gonna work for them, buy them herself. Of course, I'll be there to help her, guide her, and teach her the things that she doesn't know. But whenever it comes to things like that, I think it's really, really important to not just hand stuff to your kids, dude. Because they have to understand that nothing in life is free, you know what I'm saying? You gotta work. You gotta work for your stuff, flat out. Anyhow, things like this, dude, like this video, this is gonna be something that I know that I can look back on in the future, look back on it and just cherish this, you know what I'm saying? Like memories, because, you know, this kind of stuff doesn't last forever. They grow up eventually and they go off and start their own lives, and before you know it, you only see them on Christmas. Just kidding, it better not ever come down to that. But I'm definitely proud of her. I'm definitely proud of her. I think she's doing really well right now, you know. We've had our ups and downs and stuff, and I think that this whole car thing is gonna be something that's gonna be really good for her, you know what I mean? You know what they say, man, get your kids on a car habit, they won't be able to afford any stupid habits. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go give her a follow on Instagram, guys. She's up to 400 followers on Instagram. So if you guys want to keep up with the build and show her some love on it, go find her on Instagram. I got it posted on the screen right here. Let's see if we can get her up to 600. But we did end up going to the mall. I did end up taking her for a drive, and I do have footage of her very first time driving the car. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I figured I'd make an entirely separate video on it because this one's already getting kind of long. She did actually already buy her first mod, and they're sitting right down there underneath my workbench. Peace.
Yeah, the rain's up out here.